I use 1-inch binding for everything. I know people say the 3/4 looks better, but the 1-inch allows for less error, which is important to me. I cut it at an angle like that to feed it in the thing just because it makes it easy. That's kind of the hard part, is getting the thing in there, honestly. Take your scissors like this and just poke it, and it should go through all right. Test it a little bit, make sure it's on track. We're looking pretty good there. All right, so everybody stares right here. This is where everybody's looking, right? They're trying to get the material in there. The problem is the action is here at the needle. So you can easily get it in there and outside of there, and that's no good. So when I'm binding, what I'm teaching everybody is you need to be staring right here. That's the only place I look, is right in this area. I'm not actually looking over here at all, because the action is at the needle. Mark Hood taught me that from Hood's Custom Canvas, and he was right. Nobody looks at the needle, and that's where all the action is. Look at the needle. So it's important for me that people learn how to bind by hand first, because then when you put the machine in, it makes so much sense. So the part that people really fail to understand is the action is right here at the needle. Everybody's looking everywhere else, but the fact of the matter is, so when I'm binding by hand, I'm looking in here. I'm keeping the edge of my foot right on the edge of the binding. And I'm feeling with my finger where the underside edge is. So that way I'm not missing it. If you can do that, then you can figure out how to do it with the binder next. Watch this. All right, now this thing's a game changer. You know, it was 15 years in before I bought one of these. It's called a binding foot. And the way that it works is the little skinny part stays outside of the binding, and the big part stays on the binding. And I'm telling you, man, it's a game changer. Watch how it works. With the foot and the binder together, you just stick it in there and you don't even think about it anymore. Everybody went like the binding is the hard part. I know it. So I got some kind of Frankenstein thing that I made that actually works, right? So I got these screws like this, so I can screw it with the screwdriver part, and then get some tension with that thing. And then also, what's important here, and I mean, I mess with every binder you can buy on Amazon. I cut a piece of this clear, just vinyl that we use to go under it, and together with all of this, it will not move. I would love to know, listen, if you guys got a better, more appropriate binder, particularly for the these Jukies, like, leave it in the comments, man, I'll buy it. But so far, what I found that works is this damn thing. I get it over there right up against the foot, and I get it tight. And like that, it don't move no more. Look at that. It ain't going nowhere. Now you can actually bind. Together with that foot, bam, it's like magic. All right, so together with the binder and the foot and everything, it won't move. Don't forget, like, subscribe, tell a friend, keep some wind in the sails of our pirate ship. Watch this. No fears whatsoever. Look at that. Thread's caught right on the edge. Nice and strong. It ain't going nowhere. This thing ain't moving nowhere. I'm telling you, one day, about 10 years in, I was so fed up with binding. I spent an entire day making some crap that would not move anymore, and this is it. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Thank you.